Back to back, man. Severe 400?
The
Yeah.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southwest Cook County in northeastern Illinois
Edison.
until 3:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oswego, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Justice, Joliet, Clarendon Hills, Plainfield, Crest Hill, Orland Hills, LaGrange, Naperville, Tinley Park, Burr Ridge, Palos Hills, Orland Park, New Lenox, Crystal Lawns, Willowbrook, Westmont, Fairmont, Ingalls Park, Western Springs, Indian Head Park, Hinsdale, Hodgkins, Darien, Woodridge, and Downers Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO 39 Chicago. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather
Hi.
alarm tones for southern
Hi.
Michigan, Lake,
How's it going?
and Cook counties in Illinois, as well
You weren't
as
here last year for
Lake
July
and Porter
15th.
counties in Indiana.
You weren't here last year for July 15th.
Bring you the latest severe weather information.
It's July 16th. And
Current time is 2:51 p.m.
it's
Central
gonna hit the
Time.
fan soon.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southwest Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located
Alright.
near Oswego, moving
SVR.
northeast at 50
Yeah, it's
miles per
27.
hour. Hazard,
For
50 miles per hour wind
Cook,
gusts.
well, DuPage.
Source, radar indicated.
It's gonna go back right into my spot. Sit right here. And have Kitty looking at me all day.
Locations impacted
Hi, mamas.
Justice, Joliet, Clarendon Hills,